Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna start to make the components for a crane hook. And this is the drawing that we have. Here are all the components. We're gonna start with this one and then we're gonna make the rest of them, and at the end we're gonna make the assembly. So let's begin. First will be this one. This is how it's going to look. Now let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, press OK. Now let's make this plane white. And here let's open a sketch in the front plane. And we're gonna start with line. So select line. We're gonna make the next triangle. Select this point with this line, select here, make midpoint. Make these two lines equal. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension. Here will be, let's say, 200. These are just some random dimensions to help us later. And here let's make it 180. Okay, now we can delete this. And now let's select sketch fillet. The radius will be 38 millimeters. And we'll have to select all of these three corners. Press OK. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension from this point to this point. And here like this will be 162. And now from this point to this one, here will be 156. Alright, now let's select circle. Make one circle in each of these center points. Then select them and make them all three equal. And now with smart dimension, let's give a diameter. The diameter for this will be 30 millimeters. Now we'll select circle again. Let's make a bigger one right here. This one will have the diameter 50. And the distance from this center point to this line, it will be 66. Now to fully define it, select this point with this one and select here, make vertical. Alright, now this is it for this sketch. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here the thickness will be 12. Press here OK. We don't have any material assigned on this drawing, but if you want to change it, go to material, right click, edit material, and select the material you want to apply. Click apply and close. Now the last thing that we'll have to do is to make 3 holes on this part. So select hole wizard for this. And from here we're gonna select straight tap hole as the type. The standard we're gonna keep it is ISO, the type tapped hole. The size is going to be M10. The condition will be true all. Now go to positions, select 3D sketch, and let's place one right here. Okay. Now I have to fully define this sketch. So if you didn't right click and you didn't make the hole, you should be still where you can see the preview. If not, just go back to this arrow and select here, edit this 3D sketch. Because now this hole we can move it around, so we need to make it to be fixed right here. Alright, to do that first we'll select circle and let's make a circle. in this center point. Then select this circle, select here construction geometry. And now let's give a diameter for this circle, and it will have the diameter 75. Now select this point from our hole with this center point and select here make along y-axis. Alright, now select this point with this circle and select here make coincident. Now the circle is not black, but it doesn't matter. We cannot move it anyway. So what matters is that this point is black, which is our hole, and everything is good. Now exit this sketch and we have our hole. First one, we need 3 of them. To do the other 2, we'll go to linear pattern, and from here we're gonna select circular pattern. Features to pattern, we're gonna select this hole. We're gonna keep 3 instances, 360 degrees, equal spacing, the direction, any of these round edges or this face. And now we can see the preview, press OK, and we have 3 of them. Now I'll have to apply some fillet to it. So to do that, some thread. To do that, we'll apply some cosmetic thread. So go to this arrow, go to insert, go to annotation, select from here cosmetic thread, select this edge, and it should automatically select here the size. Keep the rest the same, up to next, and select the other 2 also. Press OK. Now if you want to see the thread, go to options, document properties, detailing, shaded cosmetic threads, and press OK. Now we can see it. Alright, now don't forget to save it. This is the first part. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.